All right, here we are. The walkthrough is in 6 days. We're landscaped. Wait till you see inside. The front door's painted. Still lots of construction going on. I'm going to leave the door wide open for a second. Check it out. Just check it out. I'm going to walk straight through so you can appreciate the natural light. No, it's not gray. No, it's not yellow. It's kind of in between of like an off-white color. The AC is on. It's 74 degrees in here. The AC works. There's the alarm. Now let's take a quick tour of the house. Look at that landscaping. That's pretty. All right. The guest room. Afternoon sun through here. And let's see, I think it's 4 o'clock, something like that. This is a good sized closet too. Yep. The guest bathroom. In this light, you can really appreciate the color of the cabinets and the countertops, because this is a nice white light above it. This just looks so nice. When I walked into the house for the first time today, I went, wow. Here's the computer room. This would be my place. And this will be Jim's place. And we have a huge closet here. Look at the size of this. Someone could sleep in here. All right, and the AC. Lennox. Do us right there, buddy. I had a lot of trouble with my Lennox in my other house. Gonna have to learn what all the light switches are. And this is the closet where the vacuum is going and the ironing board and, you know, jackets. And the laundry room. Again, I can hang my clothes up out of the dryer. Ryan, you so rock, I'm telling you, buddy. Whirlpool washer and dryer. And there will be pedestals under there. Soon. The garage. Motion sensing, so when you step out, the light comes on. And there's our sink. Little freezer's gonna go right there. And this does have a locking thing, yeah, right here. So that when you leave, I'm not gonna make the noise on the video. When you leave, you can slide that across. And I'm sure it stays on for a short period of time. All right, here we go. Let's show you the kitchen. Apparently, someone who was unboxing the stove used an X-Acto knife or something to open the package or to cut the zip tie that was holding the power cord, and he accidentally cut the power cord. So a new washer will be coming soon, like in the next 2 days before we walk through. There'll be a new one. So there's the backsplash potential. I showed that to Ryan, our boss of the build, and he liked it a lot. I like it a lot. Jim's dad saw a picture. He liked it a lot. Look at this walk-in pantry. Goodness gracious. This is a serious pantry. It's bigger than any of the pantries in any of the other houses except one. And the soft close. Jim's marlin, my sailfish and the TV. We're landscaped. I need to water some more. It's where the leather chairs and the fireplace will go. Fireplace on this wall with Jim's small Atlantic sailfish over the fireplace, and I just put that into storage here about 45 minutes ago. Everything looks really good. Everything looks so good. Oh, look at there. There we go. We got the gutters. Haven't seen the gutters yet. Cool. All right. Whole house gutters. Whole house gutters. We got them. Good. And those things. I don't know what you call them, but those things. All right. So let's see. Yep, it's a magnolia tree. Sod was not too long ago laid. It looks like a shape of a pear magnolia tree like I had in my big house before. And all of this landscaping has been here since last June. And this looks to be some type of an oak tree, maybe. I think it is some kind of an oak. There's a bird nest in here already. Oh my goodness. There's a bird nest. Wonder if anybody's home. Look at that. I'm going to walk away, not to disturb. How about that? SOS. I'll say it. SOS. These floodlights are going to be replaced. Nice landscaping here. That's where the exterminator comes and puts something there to exterminate through the walls of the house. Tankless hot water heater. Gas. FP&L. We signed up. And we signed up for gas too. Yep. And look at this nice little landscaping, these little pink little flowers. I don't know what this is, but it's going to have some pretty flowers on it. I can see that already. It's tall. I'll call it fuchsia. I don't care for pink so much, but that's what we got for now. And this variegated stuff, I don't know what that is either. And that looks like shilling. That'll make a nice full hedge, and 2 sable palms. And whatever these are, this is. Whole house gutters are on. Yay. Cool. And this is another oak tree similar to what was out back. It had a bird nest in it. Let's see. Don't see one in this one. Nope. So that's it. How about that? Let's see, what is today? It's Tuesday. 9 days from now, we close on this house. Our new house, our forever house. Let's see. Not hooked up yet. Okay. But here we are. All right. Welcome home. Yes, lots of things need to be fixed, and they will. That's what this week is all about. All the things, all the little markers will be fixed. All right. Silly me. We're going to have to edit this and put in the master bedroom. There's something cool I just noticed. We are going to have blackout shades in here. Throughout the entire house, it'll be floor to ceiling white drapes and shears. Look at the natural light that comes in here. There's no electric light. This is all natural light. How cool is that? There you go. That's light. That's the light in the shower. But natural light. Cool, huh? You can see everything in the house. It all goes together. And our giant closet, my goodness. Look at the size of this closet. That's serious. There's my linen shelf. This little alcove back here. Have some Christmas decorations could go in here. For sure. Yep. And morning sun comes through here. And through here. Morning sun through here. Yep. Okay, that's it.